हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं अनुपमा जान एक बार फिर आपका वेलकम करती हूँ अपने यूट्यूब चैनल वीएससी ट्यूटर्स पे। फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग अभी पढ़ रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन टू द इंटरनेट इटसेल्फ। नो, आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजीज विच आर रिलेटेड टू द इंटरनेट इटसेल्फ। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बिना देरी के स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द टर्म्स विच वी नीड टू लर्न। देखिए फ्रेंड्स, वैसे तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे टर्म्स होते हैं, बट आज के इस वीडियो में सबसे पहले जो हम टर्म लेने वाले हैं दैट इज वेब पेज। वेब पेज, देखिए पेज का मतलब होता है, बेसिकली हम वेब पेज की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं इस टाइम, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट पेज। पेज मीन्स one single page on which you can write something or from which you can read something. For example, I'm showing you, see, if I'm just referring to this page, see, this is one single page from where it is written plug one end of a phone cord or cable from here till this last one, last line of this uh, uniform resource locator. See, this is one complete page on which we have written something. But yes, it is the page of your book, right? But if we are talking about web page, that particular page lies on internet itself. It means that page is loaded on the internet and we can access it from there. Access means हम उसको fetch कर सकते हैं and after then we can work upon. For example, I'm just showing you. For example, if I want to search something like this, I'm just opening new tab and I'm searching for some web page. For example, I'm searching for this web page. See, so this particular page will be referred as web page. One single page is referred as web page. And see, its page name is this one. I'm showing you the page name actually. MySQL Select Database. It is the name of this web page. ओके तो बेसिकली अगर हम एक पेज की बात करेंगे जो कि इंटरनेट पे लाई कर रहा है, दैट इज योर वेब पेज. ओके, नाउ come to the next term, that is website. बेसिकली दोस्तों, जैसे अब ये एक पेज था, we can have many number of pages together, right? And its collection is known as website, which is obviously running on the internet itself. For example, I'm showing you, I'm just deleting this portion, MySQL Select Database. I'm just deleting this name of this page. Okay, so basically this particular site, mysqltutorial.org, it is complete one website. And if just I'm just showing you once, I'm pressing enter, and when I press enter over here, and if I will click something, see, right now it is one complete website and I can have multiple pages on it. See, I'm just clicking over here. See, the page name changes. Install MySQL. It is the name of one web page which is collected with it. Simply, if I will link, if I will click over here, see, the name gets changed over here too. See, the name of that web page gets changed. Similarly, if I will click over here, it will also change its name. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि एक पेज का नाम था व्हाट इज माई सीक्वल, एक का नाम था इंस्टॉल माई सीक्वल डेटाबेस, एंड simultaneously others also. So basically these are different pages which are collectively called as website, and its website name is this one, www.mysqltutorial.org. So I hope this will be clear to everybody, two of you. No? Okay, now moving further, हमने दो टर्म्स पढ़ी, वेबसाइट, सॉरी वेब पेज एंड वेबसाइट, राइट? नाउ moving further on to the next term, that is the important one actually, that is called www. And I believe you are able to see www over here also, www, and actually it is having some meaning. दोस्तों, हम www को वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब भी बोलते हैं, इसके अलावा हम इसे W3C भी बोलते हैं, मींस वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब कंसोर्टियम, राइट? आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द नेम एग्जैक्टली. सी, अगर आप यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखें तो आपको नजर आएगा वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब कंसोर्टियम. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू, जस्ट अ सेकंड. सी, just a second, I'm showing you. It is on some other page. I will show you once. Just a second, I'm showing you. Give me a second. See, it is this one. I'm talking about W3C, or you can say World Wide Web Consortium. It is nothing, it is www only, or you can say W3. You are writing W3 for writing 3W together. Basically, the question arises, what is www? तो बेसिकली दोस्तों देखिए, हमें पता है हमारे बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस जो हैं दोज आर कलेक्टिवली स्टोर्ड समवेयर ऑन सम सर्वर, नो. तो बेसिकली वेयर आर दीज सर्वर रिसाइडिंग? These servers are residing somewhere, and we are able to fetch that data from using internet only, no. तो बेसिकली हम उन चीजों को, कलेक्शंस जो है हमारे वेब पेज, जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स के, अगर हम उन कलेक्शंस की बात करें, इकट्ठे कलेक्शंस की बात करें, तो देन इट विल बिकम www, and sometime we are calling it as web also. So it is only written, the web is a system of interlinked hypertext documents accessed via internet, and it is the short form of World Wide Web, or www. So don't be confused, www or W3C or web or World Wide Web. These four terms are same, one and the same thing. So don't be confused in it. Okay. Now, I hope www भी क्लियर हुआ होगा. बेसिकली एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बताती हूँ. वेब पेज होता है एक सिंगल पेज, वेबसाइट होता है कलेक्शन ऑफ मल्टीपल वेब पेजेस, जबकि www होता है आपका कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स टुगेदर, और यू कैन सी नेटवर्क ऑफ वेबसाइट्स, नो. ओके, तो आई होप वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब इज क्लियर, वेब इज क्लियर, वेब सर्वर इज क्लियर, website is clear. Now come on the next page, come on the next term, that is home page. See, this is one word, home page, about which many of you are getting confused. Basically, home page is the very first page of your Chrome that will get opened when you started a new tab. Okay, see, I'm just opening one new tab and I'm showing you what is my home page. See, I'm just opening it, have a look. See, this is the first page which is appearing at my page. So you can say this is the home page of my web browser. ठीक है, देखिए, अगर let's suppose I'm just switching it to the another tab, and now I want to come back to my home page. See what I need to do? I simply need to click this button. I believe you are able to see this home button over here. I'm just highlighting it. See this one, this heart button. Basically this resembles your home button, and you can, when you will click, you will get your home page. Just a second, I'm just opening it, and please have a look. See, the same thing is, the same page is appearing which I have showed to you in the in the earlier tab. So I believe this thing should be clear. Home page means the very first page which get open in your browser, right? Now आप अपने हिसाब से भी इसको settle down कर सकते हो. मैं, आप अभी मत पूछेगा, I will let you know very soon how you can set your home page and all. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए be patient. Okay. Now moving further on to the another term. I'm just closing these tabs from here once. Okay. Now, see, we have done with few things till now. We have done with World Wide Web. We have done with web. We have done with website. We have done with the home page. We have done with web page. Now, there is one concept, web server and web client. I will let you know later in the last of this video. First of all, come to this video first. सबसे पहले I'm talking about hypertext transfer protocol. See, hypertext transfer protocol is nothing. It's a protocol which help us to transfer our files from server to client and client to server. You may ask, मैम आपने सर्वर और क्लाइंट तो बताया ही नहीं, तो ये चीजें आप हमें क्या बता रहे हो? अभी आप इतनी बात माइंड में रखें. आई विल शो यू व्हाट इज वेब सर्वर एंड व्हाट इज वेब क्लाइंट. ठीक है, अपना बस इतना दिमाग में रखें कि हम कुछ भी अगर पेज को सर्च कर रहे हैं, एंड इफ इट इज अपलोडिंग और इफ इट इज डाउनलोडिंग इजीली, देन ऑब्वियसली वी आर fetching our details from server or from client. ठीक है, and that can be done using your HTTP protocol, that is hypertext transfer protocol. And even you can see this hypertext transfer protocol while accessing any of the web address. See, I'm just showing you over here. Just have a look. See, if I'm searching for something like this, CBSE training portal, I'm just fetching it. See, if you are able to see over here, there is one protocol coming over here. See, HTTPS colon then slash. Basically, it is what? It is the protocol which is indicating that you are using this protocol to transfer data from server to client or vice versa. Okay, so you will able to see it in the over here as well. But right now it is locked, so you are see this one. अगर आप इसे थोड़ा click करेंगे तो you will able to see this HTTPS. No, you can use HTTP also, you can use HTTPS also. जो S वाला होता है that is more secure. So I hope ये बात clear हुई होगी what is protocol. Okay, now after this come to one more term that is known as web browser. Basically दोस्तों, web browser is an application software. Application software means जो users use करते हैं, means us, ठीक है, human beings. So basically if we are able to use some application software to access our different websites, that is known as your web browser. See, we are having many kind of web browsers. So I'm showing you few. Just have a look on my screen. See, right now, if you can see this is your Chrome. If I will open Chrome, it will open my window for this. ठीक है ना? This is my Chrome window using which I can access any other website like Flipkart. I can access this website from here. No, in the same manner, if we are talking about some other, like I'm just showing you one more. Just a second. I'm showing Internet Explorer. See, this is one another web browser which you can use. See, I'm just opening Internet Explorer right now. And if you want to type something in it, like this, just a second, I'm closing this. Ask me later. Okay. If let's suppose I want to search something like Flipkart over here too, I can do flipkart.com. See, I'm able to use this particular browser as well. So it is also a application software only or actually web browser. ठीक है, आपको मैंने Internet Explorer दिखाया, Chrome दिखाया. I'm showing you one more. That is Microsoft Edge, which is present inside my PC itself. I'm just showing you Edge, Microsoft Edge. It is also a web browser which we can use to access our data. For example, like this, if I want to write Flipkart over here, flipkart.com, so I can use this one also. See, using this browser also we can access our website. Access means we are fetching some data from different website. That is the meaning of this. Okay, so I hope आपको समझ आया होगा वेब ब्राउजर क्या होता है. इवन मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ आपसे कि आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ 3 ही ब्राउजर हैं, दैट इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज, गूगल क्रोम एंड योर Internet Explorer. You are having different browsers too, like Opera. You are having UC browser, or you are having Safari, or you are having Firefox also, and even more. So you need to look for that. But right now, I believe this topic must be clear that यहाँ पर समझ आया होगा कि क्या चीज हम कैसे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Now come to the another point. That is website address first. I'm coming to HTML as well. Just a second. First of all, we will complete with the website address. No, website address. See, अगर मुझे आपके घर आना है और अगर मुझे आपके घर का एड्रेस नहीं पता, how can I reach? Obviously, I need the address for that. No, in the same manner, if we want to visit any website like flipkart.com, अगर मुझे फ्लिपकार्ट पे जाना है बट अगर मुझे flipkart.com पता ही नहीं है flipkart.com करके एक एड्रेस है या नहीं है, तो क्या मैं उस साइट को एक्सेस कर सकती हूँ? No, I cannot. If I will write something, तो I can visit some other fake site or some different site which actually I don't want to access. No, तो आपको जब तक एड्रेस नहीं पता होगा, you cannot write this thing. So see, website address is like this. अगर मैं यहाँ पर बात करूँ तो this is the website address currently on which I'm working upon. If you want to go on Flipkart, you simply need to type flipkart.com. and it is the address of your flipkart.com. That's why you are visiting Flipkart website over here. If you want to search something like else like Amazon, so you will need to write amazon.com and you will move to that website. बात समझ आई होगी कि क्या मतलब हुआ आपका एड्रेस का. दिस इज योर website address, right? And it is the place where we are writing it, and sometimes we are calling it as URL also. URL means uniform resource locator, which basically identifies the address of a particular website. Okay, now coming to the HTML term. HTML, see, HTML means hypertext markup language. HTML जो होता है basically it's a language, web designing language actually, web scripting में से हम इसके अंदर अपने static web pages create करते हैं. जैसे आप ये web pages देख लो like Amazon के लिए, या फिर इसी का देख लीजिए. This is also a web page only which it is open, no? And even if we want to go somewhere or else, like I'm just going to corporation or corporate training I'm writing. See, this is also, if we are clicking over here, so this is also a web page, no? So basically all these web pages are written in some language. It can be HTML or it can be some other language as well. But remember, HTML is a HTML is a kind of language in which we are writing, in which we are writing our web pages. Basically, you can say it contains markup language. That's why it is known as HTML. Okay, we will learn about all these things later on. अभी के लिए इतना HTML के बारे में बहुत है. ठीक है, I hope इतनी बात समझ आई होगी आपको. Okay, so HTML, I believe this term is also clear to you. Now coming to the two terms that were remaining earlier, that was web server, and last one is web client. Okay, one is also remaining, that is email. I'm just going to tell you this one also, but before that I'm going to explain what is web server and what is web client. And for this I want to show you this thing on board. Just a second, I'm doing it. See, the friends, basically जो हमारा web और servers होते हैं, basically what exactly these are. सबसे पहले ये बात समझने की जरूरत है कि clients कौन से होते हैं, web client or client, if you are saying what exactly these are. Basically these are some kind of devices which we are using, actually the human beings are using, like we are using PC also, we are using laptop also, we are using Android phone also, even sometimes we are using Apple phone also, tablets also, and many other things, notebooks or ultrabooks we are using, no? So the devices which a human being is which your human beings are uses, those are known as your client machines, right? And every client machine, if we want to fetch any website, we require one application software that is called browser. I have just shown you. We have seen many browsers now, like your Internet Explorer, Chrome, or some other. So if we want to access the internet, obviously we require browser. Okay. Now we can access the internet from PC also. We can access the internet from laptop also. We can access the internet from Android also, or using other devices also. Now, जब हम कभी भी इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी सर्च करते हैं, that will be called as request. That will be called as request. So, and that request will be going towards a machine, actually a computer or a machine, that is known as web server. Basically, it is the powerful machine which is used to keep your data over here. ठीक है, तो all the databases are present over there. ये मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि एक ही सर्वर होता है. You are having many servers present all over the internet. ठीक है, and they are containing different databases. Okay, now if you are accessing your data from PC, तो PC से वेब सर्वर पे भी आप अपनी रिक्वेस्ट को भेज, यहाँ पर भी रिक्वेस्ट को भेज सकते हैं, लैपटॉप से भी अपनी रिक्वेस्ट को भेज सकते हैं. Similarly, if you want to send your request from Android phone, obviously you may send. So you are sending search request. For example, if I am searching for a request that is called, let's suppose मैंने search किया है for computer network. So this is what? This is my request. This is my request. ठीक है ना? Now, जब मैंने किया और उसके बाद some page get opened, that will be termed as response. रिस्पॉन्स। और रिस्पॉन्ड कौन करेगा? ऑब्वियसली अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ और अगर आप आंसर दे रहे हो तो यू आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू मी, नो? In the same manner, if we are requesting using some device like PC, laptop, or Android, and if our web server is responding us back, and that will be called as response. ठीक है ना? तो response कौन करेगा? Response will be done by your web server, and it will send you the details of computer network, because we have requested for computer network, no? That's why. Okay, it will be sent by whom? By server. So what will happen? We will send, web server will send the data from to PC. If PC has made the request, it will send the data to laptop if laptop has requested, or it will send the data to the Android if Android made the request. So I hope you got the point that what is web clients, what is web server. I hope it is clear to you. And two terms as well I have given, request and response. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everybody. No? Okay, now stopping this topic over here. Now the last term which were remaining is email. So I'm going to tell you what is email all about. Basically, students, email is nothing. Email is just like a letter, just like a letter. Let's suppose you want to send some letter, one letter to a friend or relative of yours, right? No, if you want to send, अगर आप उसको by post भेजते हैं तो it will take more and more time, right? Maybe 3-4 days, maybe 5 to 10 days. It depends on the distance where you are sending. ठीक है ना? But if you want to send the same message using email, then it will take only few seconds, or actually 1 second almost. Okay, na? So we can do it via email. I'm just showing you one small preview to have a look on that, how emails look like. Just a second, I'm showing you. See, I want to access my mail ID. So I'm having already my mail ID. I'm just opening it. And see, these all are my mails which I have received. Okay, now if I'm just opening this one, so you can see there is something which has been messaged to me and somebody has been sent. वो क्या नाम है उसका जिसने मुझे send किया, that is info@googleconnect.com, and जिसको मेरे पास में आया तो my mail ID is mentioned over here, and so on. So I believe you are getting this thing. How can I send or receive emails very easily? And this mail was received at 5:13 p.m. if you are able to see this particular time. So I hope, friends, it is clear to everybody of you. तो आज हमने कुछ important terminologies पढ़ी हैं. Next class के अंदर I will try to complete this chapter completely from my end. Some network devices are remaining, so which we will complete in the next video. तो आपको मैं एक चीज और बता दूं, कुछ चीजें मैं आप लोगों को डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर लिंक के तौर पे भी दे रही हूँ. अगर मैं कहीं पर वीडियो में भूल जाती हूँ तो प्लीज जस्ट हैव अ लुक देयर ऑल्सो. इस वीडियो के अंदर मैंने लिंक नहीं दिया है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग द लिंक ऑफ दिस पेज, जिस पेज से मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. अदरवाइज इट इज प्रेजेंट विद इन योर बुक इटसेल्फ. इफ यू आर रेफरिंग the same book from which I am teaching, it is present over there also. ठीक है, तो आई होप दोस्तों आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें. अगर अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू सब्सक्राइब इट. और अगर आपके किसी फ्रेंड को या आपको कोई भी तरीके की कोई भी क्वेरी है या कोई डाउट है तो यू मे लीव योर कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स ऑल्सो, और इफ यू कैन मेल मी ऑल्सो. ठीक है, एंड वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.